In this exciting series, Hotel Insider unveils 7 exceptional apartments located in the heart of Buenos Aires, Argentina. Discover the best of Argentine living through our expertly curated insights and stunning visuals. Stay tuned for an immersive journey into the city's most sought-after accommodations.
Remember that you have the links to all the accommodations in the description.
Petit Maipú is an appealing apartment situated in the heart of Buenos Aires, conveniently located within walking distance of iconic landmarks such as Palacio Barolo and Plaza de Mayo. Enjoying a prime location. This charming abode features an impressive elevator and complimentary Wi-Fi connectivity, making it ideal for both leisurely exploration and business visits alike. Stepping inside, guests will find themselves in a spacious 30 square meters, furnished with comfort and style. The apartment boasts a tastefully appointed bedroom, a welcoming living room, and a fully equipped kitchen equipped with essential appliances like a microwave and kettle, ensuring a comfortable cooking experience. Iberá apartment, located in the vibrant heart of Buenos Aires, offers a comfortable stay just steps away from some of the city's most iconic landmarks. Situated within easy reach of the bustling River Plate Stadium and the serene beauty of El Rosedal Park, this charming one-bedroom apartment boasts modern amenities designed to enhance your stay. Equipped with state-of-the-art facilities, Iberá provides everything you need for a memorable experience. The spacious living space includes a fully equipped kitchen, complete with an oven and toaster, ensuring you can cook up a storm during your visit. The open-plan layout allows ample natural light to flood into every corner of the apartment, making for a bright and airy atmosphere. This charming apartment, aptly named Alcohol House, is nestled in the heart of Buenos Aires within easy reach of several popular destinations, situated just 1.7 kilometers from Plaza Serrano Square and 2.9 kilometers from the serene Japanese Gardens. The property offers guests a convenient base for exploring the city's vibrant culture and attractions. With its prime location, guests have access to numerous amenities such as free Wi-Fi, ample parking facilities, and even a shuttle service to nearby airports. For those seeking a more intimate retreat, the apartment comes equipped with family-friendly features and daily housekeeping services to ensure comfort and peace of mind. Casa Joseph, situated in the vibrant Palermo district of Buenos Aires, offers an exceptional 4-star apartment experience with numerous amenities designed to enhance guest comfort and convenience. Nestled amidst the historic charm of the neighborhood, the apartment boasts a rooftop pool, luggage storage space, and access to a lift, ensuring easy movement through the complex. Guests appreciate the complimentary full-day security services offered by the apartment complex, providing peace of mind during their stay. The apartment itself is equipped with modern conveniences, such as air-conditioned units, desks, kettles, microwaves, stoves, safes, flat-screen TVs, and private bathrooms featuring showers. Departamento Independencia, located in the heart of Buenos Aires, offers an ideal base for exploring the city's vibrant culture and attractions. Situated within walking distance to iconic landmarks such as Palacio Barolo and Tortoni Cafe, guests can easily navigate through the bustling streets and enjoy authentic Argentine cuisine at nearby eateries. The spacious apartment features a fully equipped kitchenette, complete with essential appliances, ensuring a comfortable culinary experience during their stay. Accommodated in a modern and welcoming environment, Departamento Independencia provides guests with ample space to relax and unwind. Located just 16 minutes walk from Plaza Serrano Square in the bustling heart of Buenos Aires, Palermo Queens Apartment Premium offers stylish accommodation featuring easy access to a public bath, and solarium guests can enjoy swimming in the rooftop pool, while the property's free Wi-Fi connectivity ensures convenient internet access throughout their stay. This spacious apartment features a comfortable one-bedroom setup, complete with a fully equipped kitchen, offering essentials such as an oven, and a private bathroom with a bidet and hairdryer adds to the convenience, along with complimentary towels and bed linens. Modern studio with private balcony and San Telmo experience, an elegant and serene retreat in the heart of Buenos Aires' vibrant neighborhood. San Telmo Modern Studio boasts a spacious balcony offering panoramic views of the city, skyline nestled within walking distance of Plaza de Mayo, and just 5 miles from the iconic Colón Theater, this charming apartment provides a perfect base for exploring Buenos Aires' rich cultural tapestry, with direct access to a private terrace adorned with city vistas. The apartment's contemporary decor invites relaxation, spacious and inviting. Each room has been meticulously designed to maximize comfort and functionality featuring.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.